No, mate. Where are we?
You've gone and got us lost, haven't you?
It wasn't me. You told me to come up here.
Alright, mate, I'm just going to go for a piss, yeah?
Okay, yeah, I'll just wait here. Where are you, Joey? Oh, where is he? Joey! Where are you, Joey? This is funny! Joey! Joey, mate, this is funny, come on. Mate, you're taking this too far, come on, please.